welcome to this presentation by Indianbox. Today, we invite you to explore two extraordinary treasures of India, Mahua oil and Kuchai embroidery. Both represent the timeless bond between India's natural wealth and artistic excellence, offering authentic stories of tradition, wellness, and empowerment. Mahua oil is a precious natural extract. Natural origin, derived from the seeds of the mahua tree, native to the Indian subcontinent. Traditional uses, revered in Ayurveda for its therapeutic properties for centuries. Cultural significance, deeply woven into the daily lives and traditions of rural and tribal India. Mahua oil provides important health benefits. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation and soothes irritated skin. Antioxidant, protects cells from oxidative damage. Antifungal, fights fungal infections naturally and effectively. Mahua oil enhances natural beauty. Hair care, promotes healthy hair growth, prevents dryness, and strengthens hair. Skin care, deeply moisturizes, soothes inflammation, and improves skin elasticity. Massage therapy, eases muscle tension, promotes relaxation, and improves blood circulation. Mahua harvesting follows eco-friendly traditions. Eco-friendly, trees require minimal cultivation, reducing environmental impact. Community support, harvesting provides sustainable income for rural and tribal communities. Cultural preservation, traditional methods keep ancient knowledge alive. Renewable resource, mahua trees yield seeds annually without harming ecosystems. Mahua oil offers versatile uses beyond wellness. Cooking oil, traditional recipes use mahua oil for its distinctive flavor and high smoke point. Soap production, ideal for creating moisturizing, natural soaps gentle on sensitive skin. Biodiesel alternative, an eco-friendly, sustainable fuel option that helps reduce carbon footprint. Kuchai embroidery is a vibrant art form from Gujarat. Origin, native to the Kutch region in western India. Technique, intricate needlework featuring vibrant threads and complex stitching patterns. Heritage, a centuries-old craft passed down through generations of skilled women artisans. The artistry of Kuchai is unmatched. Vibrant colors, bold, eye-catching hues dominate every design. Intricate patterns, geometric and nature-inspired motifs. Storytelling, every piece visually narrates tales of culture, environment, and folklore. Kuchai embroidery is more than art, it's identity. Cultural identity embodies the spirit and traditions of the Kutch community. Visual storytelling depicts nature, daily life, and regional folklore through motifs. Generational knowledge, skills are lovingly passed down from mothers to daughters. Kuchai embroidery drives real empowerment. 1,000 plus artisans, women across the Kutch region preserve this craft. 60% income contribution. Many rural families depend on embroidery for a significant share of household income. 200 plus years of tradition, living heritage sustained through daily practice and artistry. The economic benefits of this craft are wide-ranging. Global market access, growing international demand for authentic Indian handcrafts. Community development, revenue supports better education, healthcare, and local infrastructure. Family stability, steady income strengthens rural households. Kuchai embroidery decorates a diverse range of products. Clothing, saris, dresses, blouses, and ethnic wear featuring exquisite embroidery. Home decor, cushion covers, wall hangings, table runners, and bedspreads. Accessories, bags, purses, jewelry, and footwear adorned with colorful traditional designs. Kuchai products offer flexible customization. Design selection, choose from classic patterns or create custom designs. Color customization, match products to branding or client preferences. Material options, embroidery available on various fabrics like cotton, silk, or blends. Size adaptation, scale motifs for different product dimensions and applications. Direct sourcing from India delivers real advantages. Authenticity, genuine traditional techniques preserved through generations. Cultural heritage, every item carries the weight of rich history and tradition. Artisan support, directly empowers creators through fair trade practices. Unique products, one-of-a-kind offerings that stand apart in global markets. Sustainability, eco-conscious sourcing practices benefit the planet and communities alike. To explore collaborations or request samples. Round pushpin address, Modi Nagar, Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh 20104. Email symbol email support@indianbox.com. Telephone receiver phone +91 87-553-00795. Globe with Meridians visit www.indianbox.com. Thank you for joining us to explore the natural and artistic wonders of Mahua oil and Kuchai embroidery. With Indian Box, you access authentic Indian treasures while empowering artisans, supporting rural economies, and preserving the traditions that make India so uniquely vibrant. Let's celebrate heritage, sustainability, and creativity together.